बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। I am Mushtaq Ahmed Khan and you are visiting my YouTube channel Free Online Earning. In today's video I am going to introduce you to a very amazing online earning platform that is freeltcinfo.com. As you can see on my dashboard, this is my user ID and I am having level 1. I have already earned 12,709 FLI. Currently my balance is 74.61 FLI. Total earn is 2054 FLI. And this is my Gmail address, this is my payer address. Now I shall tell you different ways of earning on this platform. To earn FLI, click on this star as it is shown, earn FLI. When you will click on this star, different methods of earning FLI will be displayed in front of you. The first method to earn FLI is the manual claim. We shall click on manual claim, and in the manual claim section, as you can see, that 16.12 FLI will be rewarded along with 50 energy, and it will appear after 412 minutes. Okay, I have one claim left. We shall claim this one. We can claim it after 410 minutes. Okay. So currently this manual claim is not available. As it will be available, I shall show you how to claim it. The next method of earning is the auto claim. In the auto claim section, as you can see, that it needs energy. You don't have enough energy for auto visit. This energy is required for auto visit. So currently I have no energy available. We shall proceed to the next earning method, that is surf ads. We shall earn FLI by watching ads. So here is one iframe ad available. To earn through this ad, we shall click on surf this ad, and the ad appears in front of us. This is surf ad. As it is shown, click anywhere to verify. Okay, we shall click and collect your reward. So viewing this ad has been completed and 1.935 FLI has been added to my balance. Following earning methods are available on freeltcinfo.com. Manual claim, auto claim, surf ads, articles, task, short links, games, dice game, and mining. First of all, I shall tell you how to claim the rewards in the surf ads. As these window surf ads are available, we shall open first window surf ad. Surf this ad, we shall click on surf this ad, and the new window will open. Again, we shall click on surf now, and the new window will be opened and the ad will be displayed. Timer starts here. As the timer completes, we shall close this ad and collect your reward. We shall click on collect your reward. Thus the claim for the reward of 1.61 FLI has been added to your balance. Okay. So this was Windows surf ad. Now iframe surf ad. iframe surf ad is not available. And the next one is articles. There are 4 articles available here. We shall select first article and read it. We shall click on earn, and again in the next window we shall click on earn now. Here the article page link is available. We shall click on this link and open the article. Now this timer line will start. As you can see, the green line. After completion of this article, we shall click on the completion steps of this article. Here, we shall click on verify to complete viewing this article. Verify, and 0.968 FLI has been added to your balance. So this was how to read articles in the freeltcinfo.com website. Next one is task. So here are some tasks available. We contact, Telegram channel, subscribe to our Telegram, and tell us about freeltcinfo.com on your YouTube channel, as I am telling you about this amazing website. The next method of earning is short links and games, dice games, and mining. I shall tell you about mining. Here you can see that mining active plans dashboard. This is the mining dashboard. Here you can see that I have already mined 0.128 FLI in the mining platform. Here you can see that mining plans are available. Earn 7% USDT in 30 days. Earn 90% USDT in 364 days. These are different plans. You can take any plan as per your budget. So here is miner claim history. As you can see that I have claimed different FLI on different occasions, and if I want to get more power, I can have power. Okay, can get 1000 GH per second mining power for 24 hours. So mining power can be achieved from this. And so next one is, again we shall come back to our dashboard, and now I shall add this mining balance to my main balance. I shall click on take and click on claim. By clicking on claim, you can see that miner balance has been moved to your account balance. This miner balance, you can see that here is 0. Again it will start mining. Now this balance has been added to my main balance. Here we can see in our main balance that 79.522 FLI. So the next one is task. Different task for claiming different amounts of FLI is available. The first one is we contact. Through this task I can earn 4.06 FLI. Okay. This task requires that subscribe to our group, this vk.com. Okay, and after subscribing, the proof of the short screen will be pasted here and submit your proof. So then we shall get this 4.06 FLI. Telegram channel. Currently Telegram channel cannot be subscribed in Pakistan because Telegram is not allowed in Pakistan. So the next one is tell us about free litecoininfo.com on your YouTube channel. You have to create a YouTube video as I am making for you regarding free ltcinfo.com, different ways of earning, and you can claim $1 through this task also. So the next method of earning is short links. Short links, as you can see, different types of short links are available. So I shall do one short link for you to show you how this method works. Click on go and the ad appears. Click on agree. Do as directed in these short links and you will earn the reward as described in the short links main page. So here is on screen. Click the ad below and keep it open for 15 seconds to unlock CAPTCHA. Okay, currently there is no ad available, so we shall wait for it. Okay, now complete the CAPTCHA. Fire hydrants, select fire hydrant and then verify. Step 0/6. In this task you have to perform 6 steps. So again there is ad description. The timer starts. As the timer completes, we shall proceed further. Next step, again timer, scroll down and wait for the timer to continue. Timer continues. As the timer ends, we shall proceed to the next step. So you have to do these tasks in the same way as I am doing to claim FLI on these short links. It's very easy. There is no difficulty in claiming these rewards. Just you have to follow the guidelines provided on the screen. No rocket science is there, just simple clicking and you can earn through these tasks. 4/6. You have to do 6 steps to complete this short link. It's just viewing the ads, nothing else. View the ads, click on next step and proceed further. step 5 by 6, and the next will be the last step. And now in the last part of my video, I shall tell you that you can also earn through achievements on freeltcinfo.com. If you complete one short link, you can have 0.16 FLI. Likewise, there are different rewards available on different types of achievements. For example, I have claimed today, I have completed one manual claim and I have achieved plus 3.22 FLI. And I have read one article and I have taken 0.322 FLI as a reward. So here are different rewards for different tasks. You can also earn by completing tasks and getting rewards in the achievement section. Finally, we shall proceed to the deposit and withdrawal section of freelitecoininfo.com. In order to proceed, you have to click this percentage symbol. When you click on this percentage symbol, here are two options available. First one is deposit and the next one is withdrawal. First of all, I shall tell you about deposit. If you want to deposit in freeltcinfo.com, there are different methods. You can deposit through your FucitPay wallet. Here you just enter the amount and click on deposit, and if there is crypto available in your FucitPay, then the amount will be deposited in the freeltcinfo.com. In the same manner, you can do it from Payeer and other sections, other wallets also. The next one is withdrawal. In order to withdraw, there are different methods available. You can withdraw through FucitPay wallet. You can withdraw through your Payeer account, and in the others, there are different methods available. You can withdraw direct wallet, Digibyte, Zeek, and C wallet, PayPal. So there are different methods of withdrawing crypto available on freeltcinfo.com. Now we shall proceed to the withdrawal. I shall do withdrawal for you. In front of you, live withdrawal from freeltcinfo.com to my FucitPay wallet. Here you have to select currency. My favorite currency is Litecoin because it has minimal fees, so I shall select Litecoin. And as I have already mentioned my address here, so I shall just proceed on. I have already completed these withdrawal from this site. You can see many withdrawal are available. Now I shall proceed on withdrawal. Click on withdraw, and your withdrawal is pending for approval. Okay. Some mediator will check my withdrawal and process it, and the amount will be deposited in my FucitPay wallet. This was all about freeltcinfo.com. If you want to join this amazing online earning platform, I have given the link for joining this platform in the description of my video. And if you have any query regarding working or withdrawing or any options of this website, you can ask me in the comments section, I shall reply to you as soon as possible. Okay.